Oh, I think this was the first song that maybe following the needs. Right after Chitya Flosa gave me street cred. Oh, honest, well, yeah, I think it's all most people relate, yeah. And yeah, I was going through some, when I wrote it, but man, it's love song. And there's this song. Didn't know it's on my but anyway, Sinjalo. Team 10,000, look out for part 2. Look, baby, Jim Fumel and Titian. The truth must be so good, and Tativan. I never say it's over, so I rather not. Conan's Okalela Njana, I met a chick twice as hard. And Zangen was Utula, so what him man did. What in their shishis and Vakani that Makan said it. Body guaranteed, they have a path for satisfaction. Undia Libasisa, what's up with the hesitation? I'm like, oh my, never that Ruti, we could do it all night. Let's move for Kupange. Cherry, I'm the Ghana, but Lonoya knows. And yes, it's not to sober why you cheat the flows. She looks like a tomboy, but I will just keep her some. Look like a toy boy, class 8 Lalangamka. May ever understand, so let me tell them, we're killing them. Plus, a tool, gender double barrel.